Just a really quick video I want to make while I'm doing a bunch of repetitive stuff in the workshop. We got 3 quick updates. Water blocks are being made for the Generation 3 circuit boards that there aren't any of in the market. So we're gonna be able to provide a small batch run first. I'm doing about 50 for the Generation 3 48GB 4090. So if you have one, or if you're planning to get one, now you could run one without the turbo fan. Super quiet and much cooler temperatures than the turbo fan can provide. So we're gonna have that available mid-June. They're gonna be done end of May, and then they're gonna take a few weeks to ship. They're being made in France. I'm gonna be providing them through my shop. And so the second thing I want to say is the website's gonna be updating. I want to update the website earlier this year, but I got really busy kind of with the flow state of doing all these upgrades. The website will be updated with the shop. We'll have the 48GB 4090s, upgrades, accessories. You can buy circuit board kits. I'm gonna be selling those, and the water blocks. That's number 2. Number 3, I got this really cool memory testing fixture. This is kind of a one of a kind unicorn piece of hardware that's not really seen outside of actual places that do this kind of stuff in China. You'll see if you buy tested memory modules in China, they'll come with a little sticker saying, oh, here's how we tested it with the 4070. So it's the core is a 4070, and the 4070 is able to run these memory modules at full frequency. So it's kind of a cost-effective way of not having to waste a 4090 core, and you only really need a few of the slots anyways. So it's really good at what it does, and they're really hard to find in the West. Like, this is like unobtainium hardware, and so I kind of like, it's kind of cool to have a first on YouTube type of thing. So I'm going to be showing that off, and it's kind of something I'm a little bit proud to show off too, because it kind of enhances my capabilities as a business to provide the service of upgrading the 48GB 4090s here in the United States.